this is Thunder Turtle here, and today we are going to be singing. Actually, wait, what? I'm not Thunder Turtle anymore. I am actually Relatable Roleplays. Why am I calling myself Turtle? I know that my other channel is called Turtle, but don't judge me. Okay, so this is Relatable Roleplays here. Hello, roleplayers. So yeah. Today, this is a roleplay, but yeah, we are going to be singing It's Raining Tacos. Like, yeah. So, let's just get straight into it. I may fail, but yeah. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos, it's raining tacos. Out in the street, tacos. All you can eat, lettuce and jellies, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yum. Bring your sour cream. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese. It's raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh, it's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Ooh. It's raining tacos. Ooh. Raining tacos. Ooh. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Okay, so.
Raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why.
I guess this would be a good part to end the video. So yeah, I'm gonna need to pull off the outro. So yeah, tacos. Okay, so see you dudes after to the next video. Sorry, I'm getting too much into the song. Okay, so see you when it roleplayers in the next video. And maybe go play some Roblox, subscribe to that person. So yeah, just listen to this. Waving. This would keep me with face cam.
It's raining tacos.
Too bad I can't get a face cam.
Raining tacos.
Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh, it's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. It's raining tacos.